ET adventure. But I'm afraid we don't have much time, so I'm going to cut right to the chase. ET needs your help. Now, we've just received, Brocat has developed 3 million light years away on ET's home world, the Green Planet. ET's friends are in danger because their planet is dying. Remember what ET's friends look like, because it's going to be up to you to help ET find them once we get him home, and there's not a moment to lose, because only ET's magic healing touch can save his friends and bring his planet back to health. ET must go home, and only you can help him. Ah, ET. Trouble. That's right, ET. So why don't you show these people how we're going to get you back to the Green Planet? You and ET will be making your 3 million light year journey on these bikes, but don't worry, you don't have to pedal. But you will need an interplanetary passport. So before you leave with ET, tell your first name to one of our assistants, and they'll give you your pass. Oh. Sounds like ET's ready to go. So good luck, everyone. And remember, ET's counting on you, and so am I. Oh. It's up to you to save his planet so that he may visit us again.
Let's save that planet. Todd, TOD.
Villain lead to villain control.
Can you smell it? Can you smell the forest? Smell it. Love the forest. Love it, love it, love it. Cough out loud. Yes, yes. You can cough here.
Row one. How many? Two. Row one. Ooh. Thank you, thank you. How many?
One. Can I hold out for the front row?
Yeah, go ahead. Thank you. How many?
Welcome, rescuers. Once you are seated, pull down the
Rescue.
yellow lap bar. If you have any bags, place them on the black handlebars. Lift up your bag for me. Thank you. You're going to place your bag on the black handlebar.
Yeah, that's what I agree.
We've got some unauthorized people entering the base. Wait, they got ET! They're getting away. Unit 3, cut them off!
There, in the bushway. The orange light. I see him. Come on, let's go. Hold on right there. Whoa!
Got him. At the bottom of the hill.
Whoa, watch it! Get away! Look, they're flying!
E.T. Go to Deeply. Hurry.
E.T. go Dippy out.
Welcome home. You return to
Order.
Welcome home. You
Mad dog.
You have saved our planet! Come, celebrate with us!
Goodbye, Robinson. D-card. Ready.
Nice, said my name.
100. Later. The number. Friend. 1.
See you in the fog. Still good after all these years.
Attention! Please remain seated, keeping your hands and feet inside the ride vehicle.
Welcome back, guys. Hands and feet inside for your safety. None of your items. This is pretty.
They're talking about Halloween Horror Night.
That one was chill. Yeah.
Alright, thank you, E.T. So walls are up. Back out, and it empties you. opportunity.
I feel like it has the warning. Okay, but we're gonna walk.
And that is your ET. So, still good after all these years. And will be even better once they're done with the kids zone. Alright.